wasn't supposed to be driving at all today. Because I'm just having bad reaction to medication change. But I had to go do the grocery pickup and decided to take the long way around, see if I could get any good pictures out here. And yeah, this is a great, awesome Christmas picture. Thank you, Mr. Heron. And yeah, I don't want to move or do anything else and have him go away. It'll make a good picture. Let's see if I can get closer. Oh, that's about as good as he's gonna get. That's fine. That's a great picture. Anyway, let's see if we can find something else to make this trip even better before I go get my mom's things and a much needed Pepsi.